Hello everyone, this is stage 2 of my learner growth project based on a student in kindergarten right now. He's a level 1 English speaker, non-English speaker really. And here are a few lessons I've used with him. Lesson 1, counting words and sentences. My goals for him are receptive listening skills and following directions. I aligned it with the UDL principles of providing multiple means of representation and expression. I offered different manipulatives as an example of this. They got to choose some favorite colors, and I used some favorite interesting sentences I know they enjoy, things like Pokemon cards, for example. Lesson 2 was dress the bear. Dress the bear. What will he wear? Dress the bear. What will he wear? I aligned this with multiple means of representation and expression. We brought music in because I know he enjoys music and movement. Using positional words was my goal for him, and practicing new clothing vocabulary words. He got to choose to sing the song if he wanted, or just point to the clothing and colors. He got to choose his favorite things in the box, and we dressed the magnetic bear. Lesson 3, what will he do? What will she do? The goal of this lesson is to use personal pronouns and simple actions while listening and speaking. I aligned this with UDL principle of, once again, providing multiple means of expression and representation. Examples of this, meaning that the kids will get to choose which kind of either boy or girl they want to use, and then what action that they want the boy or girl to do. So I had different pictures of boys and girls for multiple means of representation, moms and dads too, all kinds. And then I had actually a few toys, boy toys and girl toys, and they got to choose the actions they wanted to do, so they were able to really express themselves and really engage with the lesson on their own, how they would enjoy it the most, really. Differentiation within the lesson. I do use the can-do approach, the scaffolding technique of I do, we do, you do. I also always build upon their strengths and integrate their interests whenever I can. It gets them more involved with the lesson, and they're engaged in their own learning that way. Here are my references for these lessons and this part of the project. Thank you for listening.